there! Welcome to our June in July BarkBox unboxing. So yeah, we're a little bit late, but that's okay. It's technically July, but this is the June box. If you're not familiar with BarkBox, it is an online subscription service for dogs. Sammie and Kaia really love BarkBox, and we've been doing it for almost a year now. So guys, are you excited? You want to see what the theme is? Okay, ba-bam, here we go. So wow, it's really colorful. Okay, check it out. Oh, so it's a prom theme. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay, this one's really cute. So it says, who's coming to the prom? But anyway, yeah, it's really cute. Okay guys, are you excited? You want to see what we got? I'm super excited. And the first thing in our box is this. Yeah, look at this, Kaia. Isn't this super cute? This could be your prom date. So this is Gene the gentleman. He's really cute. He's got a furry tail. I mean, he could be a squirrel, I think. And he squeaks. It's kind of a weak squeak. So very cute. I think Kaia, you know what to do, right? Okay, let me take off the tag. Ready? Go for it! Okay, and the next thing in our box is some treats. Check it out, guys. These are the pork polka dots, wheat, corn, and soy-free, soft and chewy. Ooh, these look really good. It says, blow out your hair, get out your polka dot dress or collar, and get ready for the night of your life. These yummy all-natural pork polka dot treats are totally radical. That's a word I haven't heard for a while. Radical. And we'll have your pup begging for more. You want to try these? Ooh. I like polka dots. Do you like polka dot family? Kaia wants to check it out too. Kaia, you left Gene behind. You guys are totally crazy. Okay, you get the big piece and you get the small piece. Alright, and the next thing in our box is, it looks like this. It's a, is it a camera? Oh yeah, it's a camera. And it says click and rip camera. And this is really cool. It's like colorful and it's got like a rope. Oh yeah, and it squeaks, you know it. Okay, so you ready to play with this? Yeah? Looks, even Sammie wants to play. Sammie got down on the ground so she can get a head start. Ready, guys? Go for it. Next thing, this is super good. It's, okay, fish platter, salmon and whitefish, 2 favorite fish flavors, soft and chewy and grain-free. And it says, there are plenty of fish in the sea and a whole lot of their tasty flavor in this bag. Does that sound good to you, Sammie? Yeah? Okay, let's open it. Sammie, you love treats. Sammie loves treats. Oh, Kaia came back too. Sammie, you really want some? Look at her. It's like, what? Are you treat deprived? See, this is what happens when you open your BarkBox, your June BarkBox in July. Your dogs go crazy. Okay. And the last thing in our box, Kaia's just going to play with that thing, is a stick. Oh, I think we've had this before. Maybe not. Elk recipe. It's just a stick. There it is. Okay, so that was everything we got in our June BarkBox box. And we got 2 toys. This is Kaia's prom date. Here you go, Kaia. And this one's a camera. It's really cute. 2 bags of treats. A fishy one and a polka dotty one. And a stick. So yeah, as always, it was a great BarkBox, wasn't it, girls? Yes, it was. But anyway, that's all we got for this month. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more BarkBox unboxings in the future. Thanks again. Bye now. Say bye, guys. Yeah. What's over there? Hey, come on. This is for the video. Okay. See you later.